Hi friends, welcome to Big Time Coding. In this video series we will learn front end. This is Vamshi Suram and let's do a small intro about me and I'm a software engineer at Intuit. I'm a graduate from IIT Madras. Overall I have 7 years of experience in web development and I share my learnings in my blog at bigtimecoding.com, and this is one channel I started out recently to share my learnings. So let's look at what are the blocks involved in a website. So broadly you can think of there is front end, what you see in the browser, and then there is backend where you have all the servers which will maintain the databases, all that. And coming to the third part, like where do you host the servers, AWS and some other infra hosting services. So in this video series we'll focus on the front end. What are the parts involved in the front end? First thing is HTML. So HTML is basically about the content that is there in the page, and then there is CSS. CSS is concerned about how you lay out things, how you lay out the content in the page in the browser. Coming to the third part, you have JavaScript, which brings all the dynamism to the page, like dynamically change the content based on the authentication. In the normal learning, for example, if you want to learn on the front end, I see people learning HTML first in depth. So the problem with this is like you don't know where exactly all these things fit, and the problem with that is you are unable to showcase what you have learned. So you know HTML, but what did you do? So the approach I am taking is like you have the overall picture in mind. For example, we'll start with the portfolio website where you will build the portfolio website in a progressive manner. You will learn the necessary amount to get started, and we always have a working piece. You can demo it to anybody who wants to know your work. And gradually what we do is we dive into each subject and optimize the site. We make it better. So these are the technologies and platforms we will be using. So let's start with a simple static website. What do you mean by static website? First of all, so static website is nothing but you just have some simple pages, and those are rendered in the browser. You don't have any complicated server systems in the background running, uh, finding out who is this user, uh, is he authenticated or not. All this, like, you just have simple files which are being opened in the browser. So the platforms we are using is GitHub. uh, GitHub is like a social network for coders where you have code bases written by people and collaborating on each other's work. And then we use Netlify for hosting this static website, and then your portfolio website content, that is your HTML. So let's build your static website. So first of all, go to GitHub, and if you don't have an account, you better sign up for one. It's always good to have a GitHub account because you can share your work and collaborate on others. It has become a basic necessity for all the developers. So you just start with the uh, creating a new repository. Repository is nothing but a simple code base folder. So I'm naming this as my portfolio. You can choose private if you don't want to share it with anyone. Initialize with readme. Create repository. Here is your codebase folder. So right now there is only some readme file which is supposed to say some details about the repository, but now we'll add new files to this. Let's add a simple HTML file. So you name this index.html and you copy paste this code. We can get rid of this. Title, my portfolio. So basically what we did here is we just have a simple index.html file. We'll get to know about this in the next session. All we have is a page which shows this is my portfolio. That is all we need to do for now. And next thing is we need to host these files. We need to host this as a static website in Netlify. So you can sign up with netlify.com and then you can go here, new site from Git. You can search for the repos portfolio. Configure Netlify and GitHub. So what we are doing here is we are basically giving permissions for Netlify to access this repo. That's all. You just deploy the site. So site deploy is in progress. We have our static website ready. So what you can do is you can change the domain settings, change site name. So I am just saying vamshisuram.netlify.com. Vamshisuram. So if anybody asks you like, okay, can you please share your resume? You can just give this link. This is your portfolio. We will be adding more content and learning through the way. And if you want to practice more on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, there are a bunch of editors which you can use all this. But for now, I can suggest you can use LiveView. So, like you can change here. This is my resume test. So you can see how the page will look immediately. So you don't have to deploy and check. You just practice here. You can modify the content here, everything, and once you are ready, you can just copy paste all this code into this one. You can just go edit this file. Okay, let's do this. I just modified this content. I'll just copy paste this content here. And then let's say this is all I want to make, want to modify. So immediately whatever changes are committed here, that means added here, they will get reflected in my website because this is auto deploy. See, earlier it was this is my portfolio, I think, and now it is this is my resume test, which we added just now. So this is a quite useful project for you. You can learn by building your own portfolio. So the action items I have for you is create your portfolio and you showcase, add your website link in the comments below. I will check it out and I will let you know if I have any suggestions for you. And in the next session we'll dive into HTML. Thanks a lot for following through. If you have any questions or feedback, please let me know in the comments. I'm very happy to hear you. If you like this, I request you to like, share, you can comment, and please subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon uh, to know about the next video immediately. Thank you. See you. Have a nice day. Have fun, guys. Thanks. Bye.